Here are a few reasons you might want to use a marking knife with your woodworking. First of all, a marking knife mark is much thinner than a pencil mark, allowing you a much higher degree of precision. Second of all, you can make a knife wall, wherein you create a physical barrier for a saw to rest against. This helps keep the blade of the saw vertical. You can easily transfer marks around the corner with a knife by placing it in your previous mark and sliding your straight edge against the knife. And most importantly, in my opinion, the knife severs the fibers of the wood so that when you cut with your saw, including a power saw, you do not have tear out. Because the fibers are already severed. Let's compare.